Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make extra money online in 2026, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that real people are using right now to make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month. And the best part, most of these tools are completely free to get started. So make sure you watch till the end because tool number 5 is the one nobody talks about, but it's making people the most money. Let's get into it. Let's get into tool number 1 is ChatGPT. And before you say I already know this one, most people are using ChatGPT completely wrong. Here is exactly how people are making real money with it right now. Number 1, freelance writing. Businesses pay $50 to $500 per article. You use ChatGPT to write it in 10 minutes. Number 2, email marketing. Small businesses need email campaigns every week. You charge $200